Zebra's world-class repair centers are the most efficient and reliable source for repair when your Zebra devices are accidentally damaged. And even though our hardware is designed to withstand demanding environments, when your device is protected by a Zebra OneCare maintenance plan that includes repair, you can rest assured you will get the level of service you need to support your critical business operations. With the Zebra seal of quality, you know your device has been repaired successfully the first time by Zebra certified repair technicians with decades of experience. Zebra's investments in state-of-the-art repair technologies means our customers in Latin America receive consistent, high-quality repair every time. Our repair facilities incorporate leading-edge engineering and automation, including Zebra-designed and optimized repair fixtures and regularly updated Zebra testing software. And when your devices are repaired by the manufacturer, you can be confident every repair is performed with genuine Zebra parts that incorporate the latest design improvements and engineering updates, which guarantees the highest possible quality and safety for your critical devices. Regardless of the level of service your company requires, Zebra OneCare has a maintenance plan to fit your needs. And you can be certain that our Zebra service centers will deliver top-class repair services to ensure the continuity of your business. No matter where in Latin America your devices are located, Zebra will be there to help you whenever you need it.